What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Erin Yvette, and it is officially week, you guys. I'm turning 20 freaking 4. I cannot believe it. Today I'm going to be doing a super easy, beginner-friendly protective style, which is going to be these Bantu knots. I am going in with some hair extensions today, so I'm not just using my natural hair, but I will leave everything that I use in the description box below. I'm starting off by sectioning off my hair, and I will say you do want to go in with pretty detangled hair. I did not detangle my hair. Y'all know I don't stretch my hair. I don't use heat. I don't really detangle, but you want to detangle because, yeah. I'm going in with this leave-in conditioner by choice. I will leave the one that I use in the description box below. This is just a random product that I had lying around, so I'm just using this to add some moisture back into my hair and also to help start sectioning off the hair as well. Per any protective style, I go ahead and separate my baby hairs, and for this particular style, of course, I'm going in with tons of baby hair, so I'm just pulling that out with my rat tail comb. When it comes to a protective style for me, I usually have the hardest time like detangling my hair and sectioning it off and trying to get a straight line. So what I always do is go in with some twist or braids first, and I went in with rubber bands just to section my hair off so that it will make it super easy when I go back in and attach the hair. So all I'm doing in the first part is just going in, detangling my hair like crazy, and then sectioning them off. So by the time I got to the front part sections of my hair, I actually went ahead, did the same thing with this brush, took out my baby hairs, and then I went in with a little bit of Eco Styling Gel just because my hair is a little bit finer and softer on the front, so it gets frizzier super fast. So I went in with Eco Styling Gel here just to sleek it up a little bit, and I'm just going to continue like I did in the back and section off my hair. At this crazy growth, like my hair shrank so much. It's so healthy, y'all, but the length is crazy. I think I'm 5 years natural now, and I haven't straightened my hair in a while. I should straighten it, huh? Oh my god. So once the hair is all sectioned off, this is how it looks with my hair just twisted out. And what I'm going to do now is go in with my braiding hair. So this is just how the back looks. Overall, I have about 11 twists. The hair that I'm using today, which was the Model Glance Formation hair. And this is basically one of the strands that I use, the width or the thickness of the hair. I honestly just glanced at the thickness of my actual hair, and I tried to keep them as similar as possible. One thing I did notice is that I wish that I wouldn't have gone in with as many rubber bands or as much hair, because you don't want to have a big ball of hair because it gets really tight and it's really hard to sleep on. So I wish I would have done these a little bit smaller and maybe a little bit looser as well. But as you can see, for each knot, all I do is braid the hair into mine, and then I go as long as the length of my actual twist is. I apply a rubber band and then seal it off. Then I'm going to take that strand, that braid, and just twist it around each other just like a knot. I really don't know how to explain to format this knot, but once I get to the end, I literally just twist it around, add some hairspray, and then I tuck it underneath. If you'd like, you can go in with a rubber band, but I noticed I really didn't need it, and it actually just made my hair really tight. But I loved how cute this is. I got this style from a tutorial I'll leave in the description below. So a fellow YouTuber that I saw. Overall, I'm just going in again, braiding the hair like normal into my braid. Once I get to the end of my length of hair, then I'm going to add a rubber band. and then just twist the rest around itself to create the Bantu knot itself. So these Bantu knots are kind of different than the ones I actually do with my natural hair because they have kind of like the braided peeking through at the top, and then it's just wrapped really tightly at the bottom. I like to switch between doing a ninja knot and just wrapping it around itself. I love the look of the ninja knots where they're kind of sitting higher. However, those hurt, sis. So I recommend putting those in either right before you leave, or I don't know, but at night I literally took the Bantus, unraveled them, took them out, and then in the morning it only took me 5 minutes to ravel them back up. So yeah, super quick, easy style, and I thought it was super cute, guys. So once I finished my entire head, this is how it looks. Girl, it was tight. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but she was so freaking cute. I'm going in with my favorite edge control, which I will leave in the description box for you guys. And I just went in with some very detailed baby hairs, did some crazy swoops all over the place. I just wanted a really different, beautiful, cultured look, so I had to go in with my baby hairs. And then I also went in with some oil because I felt like my scalp was a little dry and I knew that it was being pulled, so yeah. Guys, this is the final look. This is how the hair turned out without makeup and then with makeup. Be sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's upload featuring this fall inspired look for my birthday pictures. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next upload.